Good morning, class. These days we are doing direct and indirect speech. So yesterday in direct and indirect speech we discussed the change of tense. So today we are going to discuss the change of personal pronoun and possessive adjectives. So today we are going to discuss the change of personal pronouns and possessive adjectives. See the personal pronoun. The pronoun of the first person and their corresponding possessive adjectives of the direct speech are changed into those of the same person as of the subject of the introductory verb. See the examples, then the things will be clear to you. See the direct speech. See the example. Direct speech. I said I am well. Then see the answer. I said that I was well. Then you see the second one. You said I am well. Now the speaker is you, means the subject is you. So I will be changed as per you. I is the first person and it will change as the subject of the introductory verb. And the subject of introductory verb said is you. So then it will change as per that. So the answer will be you said that you were well. Now you see the third one. You said we are well. Now see. Here, you is the subject of the introductory verb said. We is the pronoun, or we can say personal pronoun, and it will change as per the subject of the introductory verb. Then see the answer. You said that you were well. So first of all, we should see what are the subjects of the introductory verb and the subject of the introductory verb. And then we have to find out the pronouns. If the first person is there, then it will change as per the subject of the introductory verb. And when it is second person, then it will change as per the object of the introductory verb. So now first of all we are doing the examples of the first person that will be changed as per the subject of the introductory verb. Now see the next sentence. He said, I am pleased with my servant. He is the subject of the introductory verb said. I is the first person. It will change as per the subject. I am pleased with my servant. My is possessive. It will also change as per the subject. Then the answer will become he said that he was pleased with his servant. Now see the next one. She said I am pleased with my servant. Now the subject is she and all the things will change as per she because she is the subject. So the answer will be there. She said that she was pleased with her servant. Now see the next sentence. They said we are pleased with our servant. Now they is the subject of introductory verb and all the persons they will change as per they, first persons. Now they said that they were pleased with their servant. Now you see rule 2. See the second rule. Pronoun of the second person and their corresponding possessive adjective of the direct speech are changed into those of the same person as that of the object of the introductory verb. So in the first examples we have done, thus the first person is changed as per the subject of the introductory verb and the second person will change as per the object of the introductory verb. See the example. I said to her, You can play. Then the answer, I told her that she could play. First of all, see, said to is changed into told. Then see one more thing. I is the subject of said and her is the object. When the second person is there in the direct speech, it will change as per the object of the introductory verb. So the answer is there. I told her that she could play. Now see the next sentence. I said to him, you can sing. I told him that he could sing. Okay. Now see the next one. You said to me, you have finished your work. The answer is, you told me that I had finished my work. You told me that I had finished my work. Now see the rule third. Third rule is there. See it. Pronoun of the third person and their corresponding possessive adjectives of the direct speech generally remain unchanged, means they do not change. Now see again. Pronoun of the third person and their corresponding possessive adjective of the direct speech generally remain unchanged, means they do not change. Now see the example, then the things will be clear to you. I said to her, he has played well. I told her that he had played well. Now see, he is the third person, so it will not change as per the subject or as per the object, means no change will be there. So the things will be there. I told her that he had played well. Now you see, next example. We said to them, his father is coming. So in direct speech, we told them that his father was coming. The next one, direct speech. He said she is writing a letter. So he said that she was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. Now see the exercise. Let us try to solve one or two examples. Then you can do yourself. See the exercise. Number 1. I said to him, I can help you in your work. I said to him, I can help you in your work. First of all, identify the subject and object of the introductory verb. I is the subject, him is the object. Then the first person of the direct speech will change as per the subject and the second person will change as per the object. Now what will be the answer? I told him that I could help him in his work, because you and your second person and they will change as per him. I is the first person, it will change as per the subject I. Okay, now see the second one. The teacher said to me, you are neglecting your duties. The teacher said to me, you are neglecting your duties. The teacher is subject, said is verb, me is the object, you second person, your second person. So they will change as per the object of the introductory verb and the object is me here. The object is me here. So what is the answer now? Let us try to speak. The teacher told me that I could neglect my duties. The teacher told me I was neglecting my duties. The teacher told me that I was neglecting my duties, because you and your, they are the second person and they will change as per the object me. So the answer is now, the teacher told me that I was neglecting my duties. They said to you, we are pleased with you. They said to you, we are pleased with you. So the answer, they told you that. We is the which person? First, and it will change as per they. And you is the second person, it will change as you. Then what answer will be there? They told you that they were pleased with you. Okay, so in this way you can try this exercise. Now let us do something more. Discuss about some other changes. See some other changes. What are they? In the present tense is changed into past tense. Then we change now into then, this into that, these into those, here into there, hence into thence, come into go. Now today into that day, yesterday into the previous day, last night into the previous night, last week or the month into the previous week or month, tonight into that night, and next week into the following week. See one example. The officer said to the peon, you may go now. The officer told the peon that he might go then. Now has been changed into then. The child said to his friend, I bought this toy yesterday. The child told his friend that he had bought that toy the previous day. And now see the third one. Direct speech. Vandana said, I shall buy a mop next week. So Vandana said that she would buy a mop the following week or the coming week. Okay, so I think the things are clear to you. See the exercise. It is 7. Let us see number 1. She said, it is very hot today. So she said that it was very hot that day. Today has been changed to that day. Okay, so in this way you can solve these exercises also. I hope the things are clear to you. So it's bye for today.